Good morning. I'm like in the mall thingy and doing handicraft. And my mom paid it. I have 3 artifacts right here: popcorn, chocolate, and pineapple. And I'm like walking around the place doing something. There's like a black weird water beads that I don't even know that color exists. And I'm just walking around like a normal man or something. And again, I'm walking again, looking around for combinations and bottles. That's probably it. Here I am putting blue water beads inside the transparent measurement thingy. And here I am putting the blue water beads inside the wavy bottle thingy that I chose a few minutes ago. Look at my face when doing this. See? And I'm doing like the exact same thing so many times that I'm even gonna have to time lapse this video. And then I'm like putting water inside the blue before I do the green water beads thingy. And then the water was surprisingly hard for me to do. Just look at this one. Look at this. See? And there goes my face again, like a screaming dolphin. And then, anyways, I'm putting the water for the green. I skipped putting in the green because you guys already know what to do. And I'm just about to put an artifact in the bottle. Just wait. And I'm putting in my first artifact, the pineapple. It's a pine cone mixed with apples, I think. And then you're supposed to mix the stick so the pineapple goes to the edge of the wavy bottle thingy. And here is my father wanting to help put the water, smash the water beads and put them in the wavy bottle. The cycle repeats again. Smash the water beads, put in the water, and put the artifact until done. And I'm at the last layer, the transparent. It's almost done. I just need to. I'm just a little imperfect here, so I'm gonna put the transparent things down to the tray because it's too much. And now I'm gonna have to put the light cap on the bottle that I made. It can turn on, make some light into the bottle, especially for the transparent and white layers. And I'm done with everything. The last step is just to clean up the mess I made, including the water ice, yeah, that part. And then there I am wearing my Minecraft glasses, cleaning up the bottle as my finishing thing. So so it won't be all covered in water beads. I'm just about to take a picture next to that giant skeleton dinosaur that came from 96 million years ago or something. Anyways, I'm sorry I haven't made a video in a very long time, but this is my first one in a very long time too. So I hope you enjoyed watching this, and please like and subscribe. Anyway, thank you for watching this. Bye!